Hello friends, today we are starting Type Tool Part 2. Let's move towards the toolbar and see the Type tool and its other options. This is the Vertical Area Type tool. It works on a shape. When we click inside the shape's path, all the text is written vertically inside that shape, just like this, see?
Friends, this is the vertical type on a path tool. We apply it on a path, click on the path and keep typing, and the text will follow the path vertically like this. This is the Touch Type tool. With this tool, we can move any single letter and make it smaller or bigger. Just like this, see? Now let's learn how text wrap works. First, we create a shape. Then we select the Type tool and draw a text box over the shape. As you can see, the shape is underneath and the text is on top, so we send the text to back like this. Next, we select only the shape. Go to the Object menu. At the bottom, you will find the Text Wrap option. Click on it, then select Make. Now you can see that the text starts wrapping around the shape. If we make any changes to the shape, the text will automatically update and adjust itself. Now, if you want to increase or decrease the space between the text and the shape, go to Object, Text Wrap Options. A pop-up window will appear where you can increase or decrease the offset. See how the spacing changes like this?